Riley, listen to me. Victoria's just using you to distract me. She knows I'll kill you. In fact, she'll be glad she doesn't have to deal with you anymore.
Don't listen, Riley. I told you about their mind tricks.
I can read her mind, so I know what she thinks of you.
He's lying.
She only created you and this army to avenge her true mate, James. That's the only thing she cares about, not you.
There's only you. You know that.
Think about it. You're from Forks. You know the area. That's the only reason she chose you. She doesn't love you.
Riley, don't let him do this to us. You know I love you.
You're dead. You won't get another chance like this again. You want her. You want me to feel the pain you felt when I killed James. When I tore him to pieces. When I turned him into ash. When I turned him into nothing.
What's wrong?
Alice needs us to go. Now.